Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's get started. So, did you know you can play Tetris inside your Mac terminal? Let me show you. So, how to play Tetris in macOS terminal from install to play. In this demo, I show you how to install the classic game using Homebrew and start playing instantly. So step 1, install via Homebrew. We copy this command, we open the terminal, you can double click on it, new window. Now we paste the command here, as you can see, brew install Tetris. We press enter. Now the installation is going on. As you can see now, it is done. What we can do next, step 2, launch the game. So we just use this one, Tetris, and we paste it here, and we press enter. Here we go, as you can see here, Tetris, choose level from 0 to 9. So let's start by 0. So you can use your own keyboard, like the arrow keys, to play. This looks amazing. So if you want to stop playing, you just press Q on your keyboard. And again, if you want to go back, you just use your arrow keys from your keyboard and relaunch it again. Let's just check how this level 9 looks like. I press 9 here. As you can see, it's very fast. So if you enjoy small coding plus terminal tips like this, subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.